Welcome to the Kern County Law Library. Today we will be talking about how to obtain your criminal record. The reason you would obtain a criminal record would be because your case is too old or it's no longer accessible through the Superior Court of California in Kern County. This video is intended to be for educational purposes only and not to be intended as substitution for legal advice. The law librarian staff cannot provide you with form completion or legal advice. Please speak with an attorney. Let's go ahead and go down to the overview. As mentioned before, you would need a rap sheet in order to expunge your conviction and/or seal and destroy your arrest record. You want to make sure that all the information you put down on these forms is accurate. You may apply for a rap sheet by going to the Department of Justice website. There's a hyperlink here provided for your use. If you click on that, it'll take you to the Department of Justice website where you can get all the information on a rap sheet. There is a part here for California residents, and then there's a part on the bottom for out-of-state residents. You'll want to go ahead and read through that information to ensure you're filling out the appropriate paperwork. Let's go back. A rap sheet costs about $25 from the Department of Justice. There are available fee waivers, one in English and one in Spanish. However, there are no other fee waivers in any other language, so if you do not speak Spanish, feel free to utilize the English fee waiver. The cost of the Department of Justice for the rap sheet is $25, but it's separate from the cost of a live scan agent. The live scan agent is the agency that will run your fingerprints and send them to the Department of Justice so that you can get a copy of your criminal history. You can conduct your live scan utilizing any agency available in the county of your choice. If we click on the live scan hyperlink, it'll take us back to the Department of Justice website and show us the live scan locations. You'll scroll through the bottom and you'll go straight to select your county. In this example, we're using Kern because that is where we are at. You'd go ahead and click on the county and it'll auto-populate the bottom for you. Please make sure that you review the locations, hours, fees, and acceptable forms of payment, and whether or not these agencies will accept a fee waiver prior to scheduling business with them. It is very important that you don't go under the guise that every agency will accept a fee waiver solely because the Department of Justice accepts a fee waiver. You want to make sure that you have all your bases covered. It'll take about 1 week to receive the rap sheet in the mail. However, if you have any sort of matching fingerprints with anybody else, it'll take a lot longer than that because it must be manually reviewed by a technician. If you receive your rap sheet in the mail and there's wrong information, it is very important that you fill out a claim of alleged inaccuracy or incompleteness. You'll want to fill out form BCIA 8706. That way you can challenge the specifics of the rap sheet and make a claim for its inaccuracy and/or incompleteness. You'll also want to include any available proof to substantiate your claim. If you have a criminal record outside of California, you'll want to go to the identity history summary checks by the FBI. That is a separate hyperlink available to you folks. But for this example, we will be using a California only criminal record. Let's go ahead and scroll down to forms. If you're a California resident, you'll go ahead and fill out form BCIA 8016RR, which is also available in Spanish. If you are an out-of-state resident, you'll want to use BCIA 8705. This form is also available in Spanish. The live scan agent will conduct the fingerprinting and they will send it to the Department of Justice Bureau of Criminal Identification and Analysis. The live scan agent acts as a middleman towards your request. When you go to the live scan agency, you'll want to take funds, some form of identification, and or a fee waiver if you qualify for it. So if we go down to the instructions, step 1 is you'll complete the live scan request service form, BCIA 8016RR. You'll make sure you have your fees covered, which are $25, plus the live scan agent fees. Unless they accept the fee waiver, then you can qualify to waive both the fingerprinting fees and the Department of Justice fee. And if you don't, make sure you have enough to cover both costs. Step 3, your fingerprints will then be completed. Step 4, after all of that has been completed, you should receive the rap sheet. Then you'll begin at that point in time to start working on your criminal expungement and or sealing and destroying of your arrest record. Now that we've gone over the overview and the instructions, we'll go ahead and go down to the actual form itself. As always, it'll give you its own brief breakdown and the guidelines for completing the request for live scan form. Take a moment to read through these instructions as it is very, very helpful and important. We have created a quick and easy template for you folks in regards to completing the live scan form. You will only complete, and I will show you now by scrolling to the bottom, applicant information. Only this section here, all the way to applicant signature and date. Nothing else should be filled out by you. This template here on top will provide you information and guidance as to how to complete that section only. It's very important that you follow this because any inaccuracy or mistake can cause your live scan request be rejected. There's one additional information that I wanted to share with you. Reason for application, you can put live scan. That is how you complete the document. If you scroll towards the bottom, it'll have additional information in regards to the Privacy Act statement for live scans. If you have any questions, feel free to make an appointment with the Kern County Law Library. While we may not be able to assist you with form preparation or providing you legal advice, we can assist you with guidance and procedural answers. Our goal is to ensure that you can have the best success when you are conducting your legal business. We hope that this video has been informative and helpful, and we appreciate any and all feedback. Good luck in obtaining your criminal record through the Department of Justice. Thank you.